In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Opera GX. So I'm on Windows 11, but it works the exact same whether you're on Windows 10 or any other version of Windows. So what you first need to do is open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, then just do a search for Opera GX. So once you've typed that in, click enter, and it should then take you to Opera's gaming browser. So click on Opera GX, and it will take you here, the browser for gamers. So with this browser, it's supposed to be fast. It has a built-in VPN. You can add mods and you can do a bunch of custom things inside the browser. So click download Opera GX. It then should start downloading the file. So you want to complete the download, run the installation wizard, and then you should be all good to go. So here you can see we've got the Opera GX setup. You want to go ahead and click that once it's downloaded. And I'm on Google Chrome, so my downloads are just here. Alternatively, it might be in the downloads folder. Once you've got it downloaded, you want to then accept and install the terms of service. And it's then going to ask you to make Opera better, to provide feedback on the app and things like that. So just go ahead and accept if you're comfortable with that. Now it's going to install Opera to your computer. And this could take a while depending on your computer, but just be patient. And once it's done, it's going to ask you, would you like to pin it to the taskbar? I'm going to click no thanks. Okay, so that was quick. Opera has now opened. So hello and welcome to Opera GX. You can customize your browsing experience in a few steps. So if you want to, and I recommend you do this, go through the tutorial, choose your style. I like this ultraviolet one. Continue, and then you can set up everything here that's necessary. Click continue on the things you don't want to check. You can go ahead and enable their built-in ad blocker if you wanted to. You've got browser sounds, you can turn them off if they get annoying, and then just continue through all of this, and then you're good to go. So once you're done, you will then be on Opera, and you can use this just like any other web browser, and it is quite fast, and yeah, it's quite good. So that's how you can download and install Opera on Windows.